Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shibin. Today in this video we are going to discuss about loading units. Loading unit is applicable for water supply services. For example, one apartment is there, one villa is there, one flat is there, or example one bathroom is there. So how much water quantity is required for that particular bathroom? How we can design it? How we can determine the pipe diameter for that particular floor or bathroom or apartment? This is the thing what we are going to discuss today. Normally in the drawing, in the design drawing or in the shop drawing, you will find that this is the liter per second is required for this particular apartment, and this is the pipe diameter. So how we can determine this one? How we can find out this one? This is the simple calculation and a simple way of finding we are going to do today. For finding out this liter per second means the GPM, the quantity of water. There is a table is available. Okay, I will show you the table right now. The table that contains, there is many things, like first of all, for example, WC, water closet. This is the loading unit, maybe 2 or 1.5, and wash basin. This is the loading unit. This loading unit we will take the total. How many fitting is there for each apartment? We will take a total. For example, 10 wash basin is there. We will multiply into loading units into that particular number, and we will take a total. Then we will find out this is a total loading unit. Okay. After that, there is another one more graph is available. One graph is available. In that graph, one side you will find that loading units, and equivalently other side you will find out this is the liter per second is there. So I will show you the loading unit you first. This is that table actually. This is the table. Don't worry, I will upload this table under this video description. For example, first item you can see over here, WC, water closet. Loading unit is 2. You can see over here. Okay. Another item is wash basin. Wash basin 1.5 to 3 is there, and bidet is there. Bidet 1 is there. See, bidet. And shower head is there. Shower head 3 loading unit is there. You can see over here, shower head. And washing machine they did not consider over here. Washing machine hot and cold. Okay. And urinal flushing is there. That also they did not consider, because the urinal is required very less water requirement. Sink is there. Sink 3 is there for the half-inch tap. And if sink is 3/4 tap, it is 5 loading unit is there. Shower head I told you already, I think. Shower head is 3 loading unit. So like this loading unit will be there. Each bathroom fittings, what is the loading unit, we need to make the summary first. Then again we need to go to another chart. This is there is, you can find out one graph is there. As I told you before, one is the loading unit and one is the another one is liter per second. Okay, there is one simple equation, simple calculation also we have done. So you can find out there. For example, first item is 12 wash basin. Wash basin we are putting 1.5 into 12, that is equivalent to 18. Again 10 WC. WC into 2, like 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Urinal we did not consider, because urinal very less water requirement is there, that we did not consider. Sink we put it into 3, like 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 is there, and the total is 44. You can see over here 44. Then this 44 we need to go to this graph. The loading unit you can find out in this side of the graph. 44 where it is coming to the liter per second. Like 44 I am getting 44 where it is, okay, around 0.7 it is coming. 0.7 liter per second water requirement, you can find it over there. So this is the way we need to find out the water requirement for the building. Once we find out this water requirement, and there is an equivalent velocity is there. What velocity is required for water? There is also another table is there that I don't have right now. The velocity is not there. Once we got these two things, we can determine the pipe size. This is very simple. What should be the pipe diameter? We can very simply find out. And a pipe sizer table also you can also you can use for finding out this pipe. So that's in today's video. I think you like my video, and if you subscribe my channel and click that bell icon for further videos, you will get. I am planning to put alternative days. Alternative days I will put one videos. So for MEP engineers, like my friends, MEP engineers, you can learn many things regarding MEP. Wide things you can learn. I was in MEP field around 13 or 14 years. I was in construction industries, especially in Gulf I was. So I will put videos for many services like firefighting, HVAC, plumbing, everything I will put video. Even design side also I will put video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.